Hi everyone, this is Angel from CIANDRE with the inspiration of mixture of new material such as Namina porcelain slab, Felix material and new functional Kespoma hardware storage collection. We designed this new kitchen design which is warmly welcomed by global villa designers. So please let me introduce you. First, let me introduce you the kitchen island. So for the countertop, we use Namina CIANDRE porcelain slab, which we make a very thin 45 angle shaping to make this thin but looks strong. So for the cabinets, for the door panels, we use 3mm Namina porcelain slab, which is with aluminum frame and the finish. This 3mm porcelain slab with aluminum frame, which make the door panel. So the idea of this kitchen island is to have two inner LED designs and with the top with. So for this island, we make it simple but looks very quite tidy. So in this area, because it's cooking, so we make some more is for storage for the cooking. But on this side we make more drawers, which just enlarge the storage. So also the drawer door panel, we use the 3mm porcelain slab and the glass drawers. So here is a cooking area and here is a dining area. So we have the mixture of porcelain slab, which is a marble looking, and here is a wood finish to have the mixture of marble and wood to make the balance of warmness. The idea of this villa kitchen design is to have different material mixture. So here for the tall cabinets, we use glass, aluminum, Felix material to make it more fashion. So this looks a little bit transparent in the function area, so oven, also coffee area, refrigerator area. So let me introduce you one by one, okay? So here is for the connected Kespoma basket, which have a very strong storage function. And here is a lavito from Kespoma, so you have some wines, you have different kind of drinks, which when you have parties, just leave it out so you can take out of what you need. So it's very convenient. So for different functions, and the door here we use big angles to let the door panel be here, and here still have enough space people go and on. And this is the purpose we want to use the big angle for this storage lavito. So here we have three parts, and this is for coffee, for oven, for steven. So here we have the storage. So when you take something, you want to put something in here, so just take one out and go. So you want to put it in here, just do this, okay? And here is down, we have or drinks or sausage. So this is a very good dividers. And also here we have a big drawers. And so let you things to put in different levels to divide different tools and knives and also plates. So this is the purpose we want to use this type of drawers to make the function strong, but it looks still very tidy. And here is the same that you can put different kind of sausage and salads here. And here, these three tools is the same. Is to have different material things to put, stuff to put, and then you can make a cycle on it. The purpose here, you can see, have a very strong storage functions because of the Cascoma hardwares. So here we design an inner refrigerator, so freezer and storage, which is it's convenient and open. When you close, nobody knows this is a refrigerator. It looks very clean and tidy. Everything is hidden inside the cabinets. So the balance of the glass cabinets in each side to make these cabinets balanced with different materials and different functions. The high basket, the different storage functions, for cooking functions. So the full functions in the kitchen area, these whole cabinets already can support. So for this kitchen design, you can see we use different materials and young elements such as porcelain slab, wood finish, glass, finished material, fashionable appliance, electronic chargers, and stoves. So make everything hidden, clean, which is very welcomed by global designers. So in next show, I'm going to show you a different L-shaped kitchen design, which is also a very amazing design. So please follow me. Thank you.